Sundial. I vow to no longer mark the passage of time in minutes or hours, even days. Instead, by the passage of sun, I wait for shadows and the lonesome wind to carry the umbra of towers to my feet. I savor the silence, this present silence, as poets often do, of empty plazas and streets, till the howl comes screaming in on me in the coo of doves and pigeons. There is a peace that is unnameable when financial districts echo with the toll of bells from the Ferry Building. It is a church to me, a monument to mechanics who built and raised these stone canyons. Their bronze rippling muscles glean as in the day they first formed in the foundry. Their blaze warms my backside while battery and bush touch my toes in the cool, fresh stream of the invisible chime. Sundial.